This is the PowerEgg X Wizard, and as you'd expect, it looks like a big white egg. It's packed with features like artificial intelligence, an IPX6 rating, which makes it waterproof, and it claims to be able to fly in even the worst of Welsh weathers. Today I've come to West Wales to make the most of the blustery, rainy conditions to test these claims to the max. But wouldn't you know it, we got an absolute beaut of a day. Nevertheless, I'm starting with its AI capabilities. Simply put, this means the inbuilt camera can focus on and follow your face whilst recording video.
So right now it's in tracking mode, and that uses AI to lock onto me, and it follows me as I move around. It's got a 170-degree field of vision. Very good. Come on, keep up. Yeah, well done.
It also doubles as a handheld camera. The 3-axis gimbals should help capture super smooth, stabilised footage. And while it's fun to use, I can't say it's much better than the footage I'd get using my smartphone. Next up, I want to see how this drone flies in the hands of a real pro. Step forward, British drone racing champion and official GB drone pilot, Alfie Mitchell.
Yes, good catch,
Thanks.
Good catch. So this is what you fly usually?
Yeah, this is my day-to-day go-to rig, a 5-inch racing drone.
So let me introduce you to the PowerEgg X. Have a little look at it, get familiar, because you're going to be flying it. What do you look for when it comes to flying a completely new drone?
So a new drone should be light, nimble. It's got to have a fairly long flight time, and if you're looking for a camera drone, it should have a really, really good camera.
Okay.
Well, this is packing some impressive stats. It weighs less than a kilo, shoots in 4K UHD Full HD and slow motion, and it's got a flight time of 30 minutes.
It's obviously a beautiful, not that challenging day today.
No.
But I have set up something quite special. I'm going to fly over this quarry on a zipline, and I thought maybe you can try and capture it on the PowerEgg X. You up for it?
Challenge accepted.
OK, cool, let's go.
Penwyn Quarry is home to the fastest zipline in the world and the longest in Europe. It's called Velocity 2, it's over 1,500 metres long, and you can power down this at speeds of 60 miles an hour. I'm going to suit up and zip down while Alfie films me using the PowerEgg. From all the way up here, it looks a long way down.
The things I do for gadget testing, I tell you.
The drone has a wind speed resistance of up to 38 kilometres an hour, which means it can fly stably in gusty conditions. But Alfie doesn't need to worry about that today.
Selby base land is clear for a single rider on line 1.
Safety's off. Here we go.
We are off!
And in 3, 2, 1.
Whee! Yeah! Come on, PowerEgg X!
As I'm speeding down towards the quarry, Alfie is struggling to keep up because I'm travelling much faster than the drone's top speed of 40 miles per hour. His only choice is to choose his moment and put the drone in a position that will capture me flying past.
Here she comes.
The trouble is though, he can only really get one type of shot, a wide pan.
Yeah! So fun!
After just 60 seconds, I'm back at the bottom.
That was so good!
And although the footage from the drone is a bit limited, Alfie definitely enjoyed piloting it.
How was it to fly?
It was perfectly smooth. I absolutely loved it.
Tell you what, it was good fun doing that.
It looked scary, to say the least.
Actually, it's probably the closest I'll ever feel to what it feels like to be a drone.
Yeah.
Now it's time for my final test, and the one I'm most nervous about. I've agreed to fly this drone over the water, land it, and then fly it back again without breaking it. And it's fair to say my track record flying previous PowerEgg drones
Yes!
has not been without incident.
I'm so sorry, Craig.
The waterproof casing and floats that Chris from PowerEgg are attaching should give me a helping hand, but I'm still feeling a bit edgy.
OK, are you going to talk me through these controllers?
No problem. It's all very simple, Georgie. Pull these down to arm it, OK? And then taking off, we're going to gain altitude using this particular here. We've got forwards, backwards, left and right, and then this will rotate the drone round.
You're my backup plan.
Yeah, I'm here if in doubt. Pass it to me.
Amazing. Okay,
There we
right,
go.
let's give it a go. Pull down.
Down and out. Yeah, there you go. And then we're going to take off and go out.
There we go. Nice and smooth.
Yes.
Look at that.
Concentration face.
It's super light, weighing just 800 grams, so it should be really easy to get into the sky.
This looks looking very smooth at the moment.
It's all right, fellas. I've got it. While I'd normally be worried about dunking the drone and ruining £1,000 worth of kit,
Not in the water. Not in the water.
There you go.
the intuitive controls have saved my bacon.
Boom.
And the calm weather conditions, of course. So far, so good. Now, all I need to do is bring it back.
Up we go. Oh, wow.
Perfect.
There we go.
Beautiful. Good. Because I was not going to be swimming over there to collect it.
Even though I'm nowhere near Alfie's skill level, I managed to land it home safe and sound.
Hey! Very good. Producer, hang on. What? Okay, I'll tell her.
What?
How do I put this delicately? Roughly translated, he says that item was rubbish because you didn't show the drone working in adverse conditions.
Apologies.
You can't hold her responsible for the weather, sure.
You know what he's like.
Yeah, baffling sometimes. Did you see what he was wearing last week?
I know. I know. Anyway, the producer says he set up a new test in the car park to see the drone working in tougher conditions. Should we go?
Yeah, if it makes them happy, let's...
OK, this is the way it's going to work. Alfie, our professional drone pilot, is going to launch the PowerEgg X. When it gets to an acceptable height, Georgie Barrett is going to unleash her mighty wind. She's famous for that. We're going to see how the drone copes with the wind, and then us three are going to bring the rain. OK, Alfie, please, launch the drone. OK. Georgie, unleash the wind! Wow, it's coping with it, OK. Yeah. OK, guys, unleash hell! Get it! Bring it down! It's handling it really well.
I don't think it's going anywhere.
OK, stop. My, oh my.
Wow.
That was absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
That was hit with some serious weather, and it survived with flying colours.
Passed the test, definitely.
Indeed.